Montreal, my city, my home. The home of the Olympics, the home of the Olympic Stadium, the house where the Montreal Expos used to play. Beautiful green spaces, bridges, incredible scenery and architecture. Being in the heart of downtown and just minutes away, green spaces. This is probably one of the only shots of Montreal where there isn't traffic or construction on the highways. But yeah, you ask most people what Montreal is, and it's that big O. It's the stockyards. It's everything. It's gorgeous. But most of all, people think bagels and smoked meat. Can you get any better? Hello, everybody. How are we all doing? Just open that window a touch. This isn't what I'd planned. When I left, it was nice. It was sunny. It was beautiful outside. And now it's starting to spit rain, so I'm sort of stuck in the truck. But what I decided today was I want to do a vlog of things that are classic to Montreal. We've done poutine, which is Quebec. We've done Tim Hortons, which is Canada. But some of the things that make Montreal, just moving things so we can get to it. Like I said, in my car, wasn't expecting this. But some things that are just, Montreal are the iconic Montreal bagel. These are still even warm, which is great considering when I picked them up. And you can see the hole's a lot bigger than New York or American donuts. Sesame seeds just aren't sprinkled on top. They're almost another layer. They're just like coating everything. And of course, I have here, so you can't have a bagel without cream cheese. But of course, it's not a vlog or a video if I don't forget something. I didn't bring a knife. So we're just going to do this the good old-fashioned way. And that's just to dip and to smear. And so good. I shouldn't have taken someone's mushroom me. I shouldn't have taken such a huge bite. And some of the things that make the Montreal bagels iconic, first of all, are just how they're cooked in a wood oven. And they're just baked like bread. And they're a little bit more dense, a lot more chewy, and they're sweet because when they boil them, they boil in honey. And like I've done in one of my cooking videos, we show you how to make the Montreal bagels, and they're just so good. But I'm sitting in a parking lot. You can see people sitting at a table behind me. But one of the things that truly makes Montreal stand out is smoked meat. Now, I'm not talking ribs and brisket, although we have some great barbecue as well. But I'm talking smoked meat. Now, I am just going to pause here while I unwrap this so we can show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is going to be a little hard in the car, but you can kind of see there. It is brisket that gets pickled and smoked, and then they put it in a smoker, and it just falls apart. It puts brisket, like smoked brisket, it's an absolute shame. And you can see, like, there's the spice coat on the outside. And traditionally, smoked meat comes with mustard, so there is mustard on there. And you can't have a smoked meat, well, whoop, without making a mess, for one, but without hand-cut, triple-cooked French fries. You can just kind of see. This would be a normal special. We've got dill pickle and some coleslaw. And that's it, summed up. I'm going to attempt to show you what this thing looks like. And I say attempt because that's the sandwich. And there's only one thing to do with a beast like this. As I said, you're still going to make a mess eating these. You see some people and they open it up and they take it apart and all that. Of course, have to have Coke. But that's not how you eat it. Part of the fun is in the mess itself. So I'm going to finish this. We're going to try and get home before it pours, and then we'll wrap this vlog up. Hello everyone. Well, we are home at last. When I got home after eating that massive sandwich, I had to lie down for half an hour. I was so full I couldn't think. But you saw that meat, how tender it looked, how juicy everything was. It was incredible. And I say, if you ever come to Montreal, you have to hit one of our smoked meat places. Whether it's Schwartz, whether it's the Main, if you're out in the West Island area, if it's Deli Bees, if it's Smoked Meat Pete's, which is where I went today, you've got to go. It is so good, and you have to get bagels. Keep them in the hotel room. When you get up in the morning, why pay $30 for a breakfast in the hotel when you can have those gorgeous bagels and cream cheese in your room? And they're a lot cheaper than going, like I say, for a really bad hotel breakfast. So I really, really hope you enjoyed this vlog. There will be others now that the city is opening and we can get around and we can do a few things. There's so much I want to show you in this incredible city I call home. So until next time, before I forget, in the intro, you'll notice I mentioned the Olympic Stadium and the green space and where the Expos used to play. But I never mentioned the Habs, the Montreal Canadiens, our hockey team, the team that right now is going to win Stanley Cup. I'm saying this laughingly because we haven't won it in I don't know how long, but it's looking good this year. The reason I haven't done that is I have a whole vlog coming up soon, all on the Montreal Canadiens, where we go to the Bell Center, we show you where they're playing now, and if we're lucky, I'm still working on it, we're going to film some of their practice session. So until then, this time I mean it. My name is Andrew. I am the 5 p.m. chef. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's free. It costs you nothing. It makes me feel good. It'll make you feel great. I get to have the heartburn from eating all this food, and you get to stay safe and skinny, and, well, I don't. If you're coming back to the channel, well, thank you ever so much. Leave me a comment down below. Did you like this vlog? Do you like these types of videos? So, until next time, everyone, I hope you have a great day. I'm going to find some Tums because I ate way too much. And we will see you all again next time. Have a great day, everyone, and happy Father's Day.